Welcome to our channel, the Climax International. Product details: name. Large 3D printer, JGAURORA 3D printers, A8 extreme accuracy, large build size 350 by 250 by 300 fully closed metal structure, dual motor feeding, commercial grade FDM desktop 3D printing machine, ABS PLA TPU. Product description. 1. Reliable material. Commercial grade 3D printer, industrial linear guildway precise ball screw, rods.metal structure with cover. 2. Large building size, 13.78 by 9.8 by 11.8 in, lots of printing material, ABS PLA TPU wood filament 1.75 mm. 3. Clean and neat structure, fully closed metal structure with creative and friendly metal extruder cover. Precise CNC components. 4. Easy filament feeding, dual feeding motor, filament feeding auto and easily. 5. HPG glass heating bed, tigh adhesion, easy to take off when cooling down. Specifications. Printing size: 350 x 250 300 mm, 13.78 by 9.8 by 11.8 in. Layer resolution: 0.05 to 0.3 mm. Offline printing SD card. LCD screen yes. Nozzle diameter: 0.4 mm. Hotbed material: aluminum substrate. Printing filament: PLA, ABS, TPU. PA, wood. Filament diameter: 1.75 mm. Software language: multi-language. Working format: STL, G code. Device dimension: 590 x 450 568 mm. Device weight: 35 kg 70.6 pounds. Packing dimension.